Hey y'all, I didn't record the whole thing because I didn't know it even turned out to be anything worth posting. Now that I've tasted it, I decided it's worth something posting. It's shrimp fettucine Alfredo. Yum! What'd I do? Thawed some shrimp, put some fettucine in the Emeril cooker, and broke it up and crisscrossed the pieces, and then I added a jar of classical, I know it's not fancy, but creamy Alfredo, and added 2 jars of water. Didn't stir, didn't mess things up, just let it go. And gave it 10 minutes to blow off some steam. And then opened it up, turned it to saute, threw in my shrimps, and looky there. It's pretty darn good for canned Alfredo sauce. I'm going to have to try to make my own at some point. I wanted to see, this was my first. Normally I'm a red sauce type of person, but there's some shrimps and some steam. Anyway, yeah, I'll have to try my own homemade Alfredo sauce at some point. And maybe I can figure out a way to do it on the black stove. Ooh. But in the meantime, this will do. This will do. So, yeah, nothing fancy. Oh, another way I could have done it is thrown the shrimp in and closed it back up and let it pressure cook for another minute or so, about a minute. And I wouldn't even had to thaw the shrimp that way. I could have thrown frozen in and maybe 2 minutes and they would have cooked fine. But I tried it under saute and it worked. It worked. La la la. So, I'm going to eat. I'm hungry. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, following, sharing, liking, subscribing. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!